Hey, love your cardigan, new girl. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Does this new girl think she can waltz in and steal my spotlight? Hey, new girl, I'm Heather. I run things around here.
Nice to meet you. I'm Bella.
Adorable cardigan. Which thrift store was it from again?
Hi, Heather.
Franny, stop doing that!
Oh, hi, new girl. Bella, right?
Let's go, Franny. We don't waste time on nobodies.
See you around, Bella.
You know that new girl, Bella? I heard she got kicked out of her last school.
But why?
Fighting. She's violent. Be careful around her.
Why is everyone acting so weird?
Gina, look what Bella said about you in a group chat.
She said that?
I'm so sorry you had to find out this way.
Hey, want to study together later? Leave me alone. Did I do something wrong? What you doing?
Stop sneaking up on me, Franny. You're so weird. This is going to be my best performance yet. Good luck talking your way out of this one, Bella. Mr. Barker! Bella hit me! She punched me in the hallway for no reason.
What? I never touched her.
This is unacceptable behavior, Bella. Go to the principal's office, now.
Everyone thinks I'm a monster now.
I really outdid myself this time.
What you looking at? Wait, what was that on your screen? Give me that. You framed Bella?
Franny, wait, you don't understand.
Everyone! Heather faked her black eye. She framed Bella.
There's only one way to find out.
Liar! You made us hate Bella for nothing.
I can explain, please.
Principal's office, now. You're suspended.
Bella, wait up. We're so sorry we didn't see it sooner.
Both of you, thank you. You saved me.
Bella, I owe you a sincere apology. I shouldn't have believed it easily.
It's okay, Mr. Barker. Thank you for believing me now.
Class, tomorrow we're having a pizza party in Bella's honor.